Hey guys, Joe at Jeff Lynch with another product spotlight. Today we are doing laundry. Here we have the Electrolux Frontload Set. These machines are super durable, very quiet, and second story installation guaranteed, which means this machine has minimal vibration to keep your house peaceful as it should be. There's some unique characteristics on this machine that I'd like to pinpoint. That's the Tide Pod or any pod insert. So what you do is you put your pod in here, you hit pods, it breaks down the pod for you, extracts your detergent, puts it to a third pump, and sprays your clothes with foam. You're going to get a 4.5 cubic foot interior tub, plenty enough room to do any sort of bedding or large towel loads. In the dryer, you're going to have an 8 cubic foot full stainless steel tub. In addition to that, you are going to get steam to help get out that wrinkles and help get rid of bacteria. The unique part of it being an 8 cubic foot unit is that it allows more CFM and airflow, so it's not over drying your clothes relying on extreme heat, and that's why this filter is extremely soft and it's not like chicken wire material. Get this pair today at Jeff Lynch Appliance and TV Center. Thank you.